Good morning, LifePoint. I'm Karen van Zyl, Director of Children's Cup South Africa, and I'm here just to share with you about Cloud, this community. You know, we are here because of you. We cannot do it without you. So LifePoint, this is your fruit. There's a big yellow church building because of you. There's a well that was dry, and today there's miracle water coming out. We don't need to buy water anymore. But you know, this community is all about partnership. It's not just Children's Cup. It's because of friends like you, LifePoint Church, that makes the difference. You make the impact. I see children get healed. I see children get wheelchairs. I see our sound system get upgraded. We currently have an extended chicken coop, extended vegetable garden, and that is all to be self-sustainable. And we cannot do it without your partnership. We're so thankful. And thank you for showing up for our CarePoint, day after day, year after year. You know, to love someone, you don't need to know the languages, any language, you know. To show someone love is just by the way you act. And I just see as you step off the bus, how people just transform, the kids transform, because they know there's someone sees them, someone prays for them all over the world, and someone loves them. So thank you, LifePoint. You give love and life to Cloud.